Hi students, standard 9th, unit 3, geography. So name of the lesson, atmosphere. It's a very interesting lesson. You know that meaning, atmosphere. So atmosphere, that means what children? It is from the air. Okay. What is atmosphere? First the introduction. Okay, in the blanket of air that surrounds the earth is called the atmosphere. The blanket of air that surrounds earth is called the atmosphere. It is held close to earth by the gravitational attraction. Gravitational attraction. So next discuss the topic composition of the atmosphere. Composition of the atmosphere. Yeah. Atmosphere is a mixture of gases, water vapor and dust particles in different proportion. Nitrogen 78% and oxygen 21% are permanent gases of the atmosphere. They constitute 99% of total composition and the percentages always remain the same without any changes. The other solid particles present in the atmosphere includes dust particles, salt particles, smoke, volcanic acids, etc. Oxygen is most important for living organism. Ozone helps in protecting the earth from harmful ultraviolet radiation. The earth from harmful ultraviolet radiation. The solid particles in atmosphere act as nucleus on water vapor contents to form the precipitation. So next discuss the topic structure of the atmosphere. Structure of the atmosphere, that is on the 5. Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. What are they? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. Another one, it is on the exosphere. Atmosphere is thick near the Earth's surface and thin out until eventually emerges with space. The 5 atmospheric layers. How many? The 5 atmospheric layers are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. So, now discuss the topic troposphere. So, troposphere. The lowest layer of the atmosphere is troposphere. The Greek word topos means, topos means turn or change. Greek word what children? Turn or change. The layer extends up to 80 kilometers at the pole and up to 18 kilometers at the equator. The temperature decreases with increasing height. Almost all weather phenomena take place in this layer. Hence, it is called weather making layer. So, it is called what children? Weather making layers. Which is a weather making layers? Troposphere. The upper limit of the troposphere is called tropopause. So next discuss the topic stratosphere. So stratosphere lies above the troposphere. It extends to the height about 50 km above the Earth's surface. Since this layer is the concentration of the ozone molecules, it is called the ozonosphere. So this layer what? It is a concentrate what it is on the. So ozone, it is called what? The ozonosphere. The temperature increase with increase in the height in this layer. The large jet planes normally fly here. The upper limit of troposphere, the uppermost limit of the troposphere is called stratopause. So next discuss the topic mesosphere. Mesosphere extends between 50 km and 80 km. The temperature decreases with the increasing height. Radio waves transmitted from Earth or reflected back to Earth from this layer. Most of the meteoroids nearing the Earth, they get burned here. The uppermost limit of the mesosphere is called mesopause. Mesosphere is called mesopause. So the structure of the atmosphere next to mesosphere, thermosphere. Thermosphere, it extends to about 600 kilometer. Thermosphere exists above the mesosphere. The composition of gases in the lower thermosphere is more or less uniform. Hence, it is called homosphere. The upper portion of the thermosphere has uneven composition of gases and hence it is referred as herdosphere. Here the temperature increases with the increasing height. The ionosphere is a layer of the thermosphere that contain ions and the free electrons. So next, exosphere. The uppermost layer of the atmosphere is called exosphere. This layer is extremely rarefied with gases and gradually merges with the outer space. This zone is characterized by the aurora australis and aurora borealis. So next, weather and climate. What is difference between weather and climate? So weather, it is day-to-day condition and climate is a long period of your time. The study of atmospheric condition. The study of atmospheric condition, it is weather. The study of average weather condition about it is the climate. Okay, so the partly sunny, windy, rainy, chilly, another one stormy. This is what children, it is on the weather and climate of this. The difference between the two may table clearly understood with the following table. First, partly sunny. Weather. Weather is a study of atmospheric condition for short duration over small areas. Climate. Climate is a study of average weather condition observed over long period of time for large area. Warm climate. Windy. Weather changes over often hour to hour and day to day. Climate. Climate is more or less permanent and remain the same always. Monsoon. Next, rainy. A place can experience different types of weather condition in a day. Example, a day with hot morning can have a rainy noon. A place can experience almost the same type of climate, wind climate, wet climate, chilly. Weather data is collected every day in the observatories. Climate is average of the weather data. Extreme climate, stormy. Study of weather is called meteorology. Study of climate is called climatology. Cyclone. Thank you.